Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Z Flip3. This is something I got directly from Samsung, so let's check it out. So we open the box and we get this little honeycomb cutout sort of thing. That's interesting packing supplies. And of course we get the packing list, which tells you the phone and the IMEI and all that good stuff. But either way, what you're here for is the phone. So let's unwrap this, which is a lot of unwrapping. And here is the phone box. It's a really thin box, which kind of makes sense given the phone, but also what else is in here. So let's check this out. On the back, has all the information about the phone, I guess. So let's just cut this open right here and right here. And the front is kind of interesting. It has all these different colors, maybe to tell you what type of phone it is, but there's like 4 colors and there's actually multiple colors of this phone, so not sure what they're doing there. And on the side it just says Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, Samsung, and then on the bottom it has all the information like model number, IMEI, all that good stuff. But either way, let's get this open and check out the phone. So here's the phone, but let's set this aside and let's check out, see what else comes with it. So we get a SIM tray in this little thing right here. Then we get the USB-C to USB-C plug and a quick start guide, as well as the Galaxy Z Premier stuff. So that's interesting that they still included that. It's also interesting they have a cream phone on here when mine's white, but whatever. So let's put all this back together, and that's it. That's the only thing that's in this phone. It's that information that I just showed you and the phone itself. So here's the actual device, which honestly looks really nice. Let's peel this off real quick. And here's the phone. It already comes pre-creased, so you don't have to worry about doing that yourself. And then you got the front camera little cutout right here. And yeah, kind of like the original Fold. So let's power this on, which takes forever. Okay, there we go. And yeah, there's the phone. Honestly, I think this color is the best color. Personally, the whole black and white doesn't really look good normally. But for this, I don't know. For some reason, it looks really nice. So on the bottom, we get the loudspeaker, USB-C port, and some microphones. On the right side, we get the volume buttons and the power button. That is a fingerprint scanner as well. Then on the left, we get the SIM card slot as well as the ultra wideband thing. And then on the top, we get a single microphone. And then here are the dual camera and the bigger screen. And then this color is a matte color. I know on the cream one, it's which is kind of interesting because on my Z Fold 2, it kind of fogged up and I had to take it off. And then obviously the phone contains magnets. But yeah, there we go. And we can clearly see the 120 Hz refresh rate, which looks really nice on this. And then the most important thing is the camera, I guess, for some people. Some people like this option, other people don't. You can swipe through photos and videos on here. You can do ultra wide and standard camera, because there's only 2 on the outside. Yeah, kind of interesting little party trick. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to power off this phone, and now I get to review this phone. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or message me on Twitter. And let me know if you have any questions about the phone specifically, because I am doing a review on it, which should be coming out next week. So subscribe and hit that bell button so then YouTube reminds you when that video does come out. And as always, thanks for watching.